Hi everybody and welcome. I'm ClairV and this is our unboxing of our Wizard Tarot. So excited. So we have a box which is very sturdy, magnetic. It's by Barbara Moore, Wizard's Tarot, illustrated by Ricky Jeansons. It says, master your magic with this dazzling deck of wizards. Raise your sword, wave your wand, tip your cup, and draw your pentacle with this irresistible Rider-Waite Smith-based deck and full-color guidebook. Each card comes to life in vibrant splashes of color and explosive displays of breathtaking magic. Practitioners of many paths can enhance their skills using brilliant wisdom from tarot expert Barbara Moore and magnificent illustrations by Mickey Jansons, filled with amazing adepts and spellcasters. This incredible deck will delight you with every flip of the cards. Ooh, excited. Oh, this guidebook. Oh, look at this. This box is just totally awesome. These cards. Oh, this book is so gorgeous. It's very big, glossy, colorful. Very beautiful. Gives us some spreads at the end. And cards. I already mixed up the cards, but I want to go through them. The High Priestess. She looks very, like cautious. Pentacles. Oh, that's cool. The Ten of Pentacles. Oh, the Hierophant. I'm telling you, the Hierophant and the Hangman is what made me get this book. Look at that Hangman card. So yeah, it's beautiful. Five of Cups. Look at the imagery. The colors are so amazing. So bright. Like, look at that. It's like a lily, but a snake underneath. It's like, wow. Very, very. And look at that. Look at this Scorpio. I love the moon card too. It's like looking at the Rider-Waite moon card from the opposite angle. Beautiful. This is close up at the church door for Four of Pentacles. I love her boots and the Nine of Pentacles. Empress. Two of Wands. Oh, that's awesome. The Eight of Wands. Six of Cups. Look how beautiful. Look how colorful. And like each image like goes into the other image. I think I'm going to do Libra's reading now. The Tarot. Oh, look at the Four of Swords. The Devil. Beautiful, beautiful cards. Oh, I love that. The rain coming down from the rose. These queens are amazing too. So are the knights, look at them. Gorgeous, gorgeous cards. Very vibrant, colorful. There's no frame, so it's like each card goes into one another. Very beautiful. Kings. Knight. Very beautiful. Alright, look at that Nine of Swords. Alright, go. Very beautiful imagery. Very vibrant and colorful. So there we have it for our Wizard Tarot. Come back for a reading.